evening. Now we are going to see how to install a Java JDK in your system. For that, first you have to check that from previously you have installed that Java JDK in your system or not. So for that, open command prompt and write a command that is Java space dash dash version. Now you can see that Java version is not available in my system. For that, we have to open any browser. You have to open Edge, Chrome, any browser, and just type Oracle Java download. Okay, because Oracle is a parent company of Java. So from here, this is the first link, oracle.com. This is from Java downloads. Now click on the link. Now here is the versions, at least 17, 21 and 22. There are many versions of Java JDK. For you we have to install the latest version, that is JDK 22 in a current situation. And when you watching a video, that time when newer version is available, so you go with that. Okay, now we have to install the latest version, that is Java JDK. For Linux, we have to click on this link, 64 Debian package, or for Mac OS, go on the 64 DMG installer. Which we have operating system, you have to go with that. For me, I having a Windows 11. For that, we have to click on that link, 64 installer. Okay, now clicking on it, it will take some time to install because it has approx 164 MB of the size. Now wait for a minute. To install, open a browser, open a file storage where that download will be available. You can see that here. Wait a second, after some time it will be appear. Percentage, 6 seconds left, 3 seconds. Okay, now you can see that here Java JDK is downloaded in my PC. Java JDK 22. Okay, 64-bit. Okay, click on it, double click on it, Java JDK. Here one pop-up will be appear, so just click on yes. Okay, because it's asking for the permission to install in your system. After that, we got a one Java application pop-up to ask for the installation in your system. Just click next. This is the path where the Java JDK is installed. You have, if you want to change that, changes, but in my case, or for default, for any case, just leave it in a default way, because any software or any application you are going to install, that all software installed in the C drive. This is the window drive where all the applications are available. So for that, just leave it default. Now click next. It will take some time to install in your system as per your computer speed. Now you can see that Java development kit 22 version is installed in your system. Close that window, and now we are going to again check that the Java version is downloaded in our system or not. So just click CMD command prompt and type Java version. Okay, now here you can see that Java version is available. It shows that Java version is installed in my system because previously I installed that. But one step I left here, just go in C drive, because this is the most important part. In C drive, you have to go in program files. Okay, here you have see that the Java files here. When we install the Java JDK, automatically this file will be created. You have to click on that, then JDK, and then bin. Okay, you will copy this path Okay, copy this path and paste it in the system environment variable. Okay, type env, it's appear in your place. Now for user variable, if you paste that bin path in the user variable, so it is available in user space, but for safe purpose, safe site, you have to install in system variable. So here in system variable there is a one tag name path, just click on it, double click. Okay, here click on new, paste that path, click ok. Okay, okay, now the Java JDK was installed in your system. Again click on cmd, just click cut and open again cmd. Here you can see Java version is installed. Now check that Java compiler running in your system or not. For that, write one code in notepad, click notepad. Here is I have already written one code, system.println java installed. Okay, just run this code in our system. For that we have to go in the desktop version, click here cmd, because it directly goes to the particular directory. Here for any Java file we have to first convert in bytecode. For that we have to use Java C version, it convert that particular file in Java bytecode. After that we have obtain a main.class file. For that then we have to run that main.class file. Now see, we have got the Java installed output from here. Okay, so this says that ki Java is installed in your system in a correct way.